Hello everyone, I'm Sugarface Cheese Melt. So I do like animals and I made a list of my favorite animals. Y'all want to see it? It's not going to be a long list. It's going to be a forever list because I'm still making lists. I got 2 more videos to make. Oh wait, this will be 5. Yeah, 2 more. I'm making 7. Why 7? Well, look right behind you. That's why. Oh yeah, I got new gloves. Don't you? My 100 favorite animals. Let's start. Rabbits, owls, cows, ravens, possums, cats, all breeds, dogs, all breeds, iguanas, otters. I can't say that name out loud. Cows, sloths, ferrets, guinea pigs, chameleons, lemurs, capybaras, elephants, vultures, koalas, snakes, mantis, spiders, bumblebees, groundhogs, chinchillas. I can't say that name out loud for reasons. Bats, dire wolves. I know they're extinct, but I like them. Camels, gophers, prairie dogs, rams, goats, butterflies, dragonflies, crickets, grasshoppers, cheetahs, orangutans, frogs. I can't say that name out loud. Bearded dragons, chickens, donkeys, turtles, yaks, polar bears, seals, sea lions. Whales, moths, llamas, alpacas, bisons, buffalo, bald eagles, beavers, meerkats, armadillos. I can't say that name out loud for reasons. Cockatoos, toucans, horses and ponies. I can't say that name out loud because they're watching me. All the names I can't say out loud, the animals are watching me. Chipmunks. I can't say that name out loud. You have to say it out loud so they won't get you. Hippopotamuses, tigers, penguins, kangaroos. I can't say those 3 names out loud. Walruses, peacocks, puffins, hyenas, panda bears, parrots, honey badgers, Tasmanian devils, anteaters, wolves, lions, salamanders, horned lizards, starfish, gorillas, chimpanzees. And those are all the animals I like. See you in the next one. Ma. Don't know why I did that. Manatees. I said manatees out loud. Oh no!